Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. I am in my night robe, well, snuddy, whatever you call these things, because it is freezing. I'm filming on a work day at like 7 something in the evening and I just need to be cozy, so we're going to be filming in this. So today, Revolution have literally just launched 2 Forever Flawless palettes. I believe they're like $12.99, $11.99 now. But this one is nude silk. Just look how gorgeous it is. And then the inside just looks like this. Absolutely stunning. I actually don't know which one I like more, and I'm gonna do 2 videos, so at this moment in time I don't actually know which one I'm filming. Then this one is called Bare Pink. I love the packaging on this one. This one's actually gorgeous, and that is what this one looks like. I feel like the other one's just like a nice cool tone neutral palette, and this one's just got the pinky tones, so I might go for this. It's gold, it's got the pinky tones. I feel like let's go for this one, and hopefully I do a video on this one next. Also during this video, well, after I film this video, I'm going to be filming with their new Balm Glow, so look out for that one. So yeah, let's just get into swatches. Alright, we have the swatches. It is stunning. Look at that. I am so happy to see so many neutral deep tones in there. And then we've also got a pressed glitter right here. I am super stoked to play with this. There is like a skin colour tone in there. There's some more neutrals here. Oh, this is just gorgeous. So let's put some eye base on and just get into this tutorial. I want to do something a little different and go lightest to darkest, so I'm going to start off with the shade Babe, because you know we're going a bit berry deeper on this eye look. Most of my brushes, as usual, need a spot clean, and I have no spot cleaner, so as usual I procrastinate getting it. So we're just going to use this Profusion brush and just put that above the crease. I'm so glad to be using a Revolution palette. I feel like I haven't used one in so long that I've forgotten what it's like to have a mirror in a palette. And so far, there is no fallout. Then we're obviously going to go in with that shade Berry. That is a me shade. We're just going to go in the crease with that and a little bit above it but below the last shade, just to deepen it up. And of course the next shade we're going in with is Midnight. I'm just going to go in with the shades again and do a bit more blending, but so far I'm liking. I think I might go in with a bit of Obsessed just to diffuse between the black and the pink. And then, yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Love this palette. I'm so glad that they brought out some of these palettes, because this and Tasty palettes are my favourite. Still got a bit more blending to do, but I really want to go in, and I know I just did a silver look with my Jaclyn Hill palette, which is probably not up yet, but I want to go in with this silver called Superstar. I feel like silver and pinks really go, so we're going to use silver again. That silver is incredible. Oh my god, I just need to finish up and crisp up the edges of my eye look. Yeah, I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So some more blending, guys. All right, guys, So the eyes are complete. Did a lot more blending. I'm gonna go off, film that cheat video I told you about, and then we'll come back at the end and like show you my final look and my final thoughts. Makeup is on. Now let's do a little inner corner brow bone highlight. I have tested the Balm Glows, and let me just say, you guys need to go and watch that video because I'm pleasantly surprised, Now I'm going to do the opposite of what I usually go for and do this icy white inner corner brow bone highlight in the shade Diamond. I'm literally doing an Alex right now. I can't remember the last time I went this icy for an inner corner. Oh, it's got like a pink undertone to it too. Okay, it's not as icy as I thought it was. It's more of a duochrome. And my eyebrows badly need doing. Look is complete. On my lips, I have one of the balms, and I also put the lip liner from Relove in Wonder on, one of my faves. And now let's talk about the palette. I am super impressed with this palette. I love the color stories. There's so many mattes in here, and I love that they've engraved some of the mattes with the pattern that is on the front. Just really ties the whole thing together. It looks absolutely stunning, creates a gorgeous look, blended beautifully. Yeah, I had to go in a few times, but my blending skills are not the best, let's just say that. And it just looks gorgeous. This shade Melrose is like this nice gold that I need to like use, and that is some of the balm shades. Yeah, so it's a gorgeous palette. I believe the price is like $11.99, $12.99, I can never remember, but honestly, highly recommend it. Love it, love everything about it. And I will definitely be using this a lot more because I feel like I can get a lot more looks out of this, and I'm just glad we've got some flawless palettes again. I really am. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.